Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, October 26, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that are in the Family Weekly. So today it starts Red Ribbon Week. So today, wear something red. Celebrate with us. Tomorrow is Disney Character Day. So you can wear a Disney character shirt. Maybe you want to wear little ears, all different kinds of things you can wear as Disney characters tomorrow. I'll tell you each day to remind you what the next day will be. Also, start planning. Thanksgiving break is coming up. November 23rd through the 27th. There'll be no school for Thanksgiving break. Also, don't miss out this Thursday night. I will be doing painting your pumpkin. So go on to the Family Weekly and get that Blue Jeans link so you can all be ready to paint with me. Today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot.